Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your country or region on Amazon. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to your Amazon app, click on Amazon. So basically to change a country, it will help you to buy the stuff from that country. And what you want to do is you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom and then click on the flag icon at the top. So currently it is setting to English. Click on the flag icon and then here it will show you where to set the country or region. Click on it and let's say you want to buy some stuff from Canada. You want to click on Canada. And then once you are happy with it, you can click done. So now your region will be set to Canada. As you can see, search amazon.ca, which stands for Canada. And that is how you can change the region. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.